Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. On this channel I talk about Squishmallows, Build-A-Bear, plushies, Sanrio, Loungefly, basically anything that I think is cute. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And today we're talking about Build-A-Bear. I'm going to be reviewing the Build-A-Bear Zombie Bear that came out for the 25th anniversary Vault collection. It is kind of a gloomy day. It is pouring rain. I straightened my hair for no reason. I gotta go to work in an hour. Mistakes were made. Lessons were learned. It's been that kind of month, but we're going to talk about this cutie right here. So I do feel like the weather kind of goes hand in hand. It's October. It's my favorite time of year. And this is the Zombie Bear. So as I said, the Zombie Bear came out for the 25th celebration collection that comes out. And I really am happy that this is available online and in person. This originally was released in 2015. At that time, I wasn't really into Build-A-Bear except for like Toothless, and which came out in 2016, and the My Little Ponies. So I was not super in the loop with Build-A-Bears and stuff like that. But I'm so glad that I finally have a chance to pick it up now. So I do like the ear detailing. That's kind of one of my favorite parts. I think that's so cute. It's such a simple thing that I feel like adds a lot to the bear. You also have all his little wounds that are stitched up, his eye, and he does have a crinkle belly, which I didn't realize until I got him. It's a very subtle crinkle. I'm not sure the camera's gonna pick it up honestly because it's raining, there's airplanes, but let's see. Yeah, you can hear it a little bit. It's cute. It's fine. I didn't get a beating heart or anything. I got a normal heart. I do like the heart detailing already here. And it has a little open wound on its arm. So this is what I was looking at the other bears for, because some of them, the stuffing is kind of more out than this one is. I feel like with time, this is going to eventually start coming out a little bit anyway, especially if it gets caught on something. But I didn't want to buy one straight off the bat that already had it kind of spewing out too much. So I did take a look at some of the other ones before picking this one up. And then on its paw, of course, it has that 25th anniversary emblem. It's like shiny and cute, and I like the way it looks when the light catches on it. Of course, we're having some lighting difficulties, so I don't know if you can see that anyway, but this is really nice. I do really like it. I didn't get any apparel for it because I feel like it just looks really cute on its own. I also have reviewed the zombie frog, which is a cheaper alternative. That one's like $12. I think this is like $25. I did add a scent to it. Now, if you know me, if you've seen my working at Build-A-Bear video, you know that I haven't had the best luck with smells or with the scents that Build-A-Bear sells, and I didn't feel comfortable upselling that to clients or guests, I should say, telling them I was going to last up to 2 to 3 years and that it was super powerful, because personally, I didn't feel that way with the scents that I was choosing. With this one, I had to choose pumpkin spice because that's all they had. I went to the Queen Center kiosk Build-A-Bear, so they were kind of low on supplies, and they had just gotten a shipment in because I was talking to the employee there. She was very nice. They're all very nice. I wish I had their names because one of them remembered me from when I went to get my Build-A-Bear for my birthday, Oogie Boogie. I didn't tell them that I filmed for content or anything. I try to be very subtle when I'm panning through, but I feel like everyone that goes there films it anyway, so it doesn't really catch anyone's eye. Basically, she was telling me that they were really low, that they didn't have much of anything, and that they just got a shipment in, but it didn't really have everything that they needed, which sounds a lot like my job. So she told me they had pumpkin spice as a scent, and I chose it. And honestly, when it first was placed on the bear, it smelled really good, very strong. Now it's a lot more faint. I could only smell it on the tummy, but this was a lot of fun because I took this with me when I met up with my friend Ellie. We went to see Howl's Moving Castle, and I had this like right by my face, and we were just cuddling, and I could just smell the pumpkin spice the entire time, which was really nice. So I am glad I got the scent, but now I don't really smell it that much, which is fine. I didn't do a beating heartbeat like I said, and I didn't do anything else because I wanted to keep this price low. You know, everything adds up so quickly, and I have had ones that have the beating heart, and I do kind of enjoy that aspect. So it's like as you're squeezing it, you feel like 2 heartbeats, and it just kind of repeats itself, and I think it's a cute thing. Like as a kid, I would have really loved it. As an adult, I don't think it's necessary, but yeah, it is so cute. Like it's just such a perfect little freaking zombie bear. Like who would have thought this is something I like, but it's just super cute. I'm really glad I picked it up. I do have a whole playlist with a bunch of different Build-A-Bear unboxings and reviews. I'm still working on getting through all the ones I have at my husband's house because I have a lot of Pokemon ones, not just like the Pikachus that I talked about, but I have like I don't even know. I don't even remember all of them, but we have a good amount, and I know that there's going to be some new releases coming soon for the month of November, I believe. So I'm really hoping these are some cute Pokemon. I am trying to cut down on the amount of Build-A-Bear. I say this all the time. Lack of space, guys. Lack of space. I really am struggling to kind of get a grip on where I'm putting all these bears, especially Build-A-Bears. Like, I don't know, like Squishmallows are easy to display, but I feel like I struggle a little bit more with the Build-A-Bears because I don't have a really big deep, tall bookcase. Everything has to be a certain height to reach that, whatever. It's a whole thing. We talked about this. I think I have to do a whole video explaining that situation and showing you my collection so far, because at this point I keep repeating myself and I sound like a broken record. And I know one of my most requested videos is talking about a Build-A-Bear collection or my Squishmallow collection, and it's really hard because right now everything's in 2 different places, and what's here is also in bags as well because I don't have anything. I don't have anything, and I'm thinking of buying all this furniture, but honestly a lot of my money has been going towards tattoos. This is gonna be a little rant, so if you just want to hear about this, we're done. I shared all my thoughts about this. But let me tell you something. Tattoos have been taking over my life. Like, I have like 3 deposits down for 3 different tattoos because I am addicted. I'm addicted. I don't know what happened to me. I got this one right here. Then I took a couple months break, and now we're going everywhere. So I'm trying to be more mindful of what I'm spending. I'm also going back to school for communications instead of vet tech. That's something that I've been avoiding talking about on this channel because I was doing a whole vlog series about doing the Penn Foster program for a vet tech license, and I kind of ended up pivoting away from that. I love animals. I love the field. I love the program. I just don't think I want to work on the animal field anymore, and that's kind of like a sad realization, but it's one that has been weighing heavily on my mind, and I truly feel that I am just completely done with the animal field at this point. I'm just putting that out there because I do have to address this later on, and most people don't make it to the end of this video, to the end of any video really, so the likelihood of anyone picking up on this is low anyway. But yeah, it's a problem. I really have to like budget for these Squishmallows and these Build-A-Bears and all that stuff because the amount that I'm receiving from YouTube ad revenue is not enough. It does not match what I'm putting into this channel, if you get what I'm saying. So I have to really do some analyzing, some evaluating, some reworking, but we'll see. Anyway, we made it to the end of this video. I hope you're having a wonderful October. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Bye.